Tired of your old boring normal fan? Well, introducing the new Electro Lasko 1646 16-inch remote control pedestal fan with built-in timer, white feature oscillating movement, and adjustable height. It actually works!
Wow!
Has two distinct modes, on and off.
Total freedom!
It even plugs into your wall.
Power bill, more like Powerball.
Even Obama loves it.
I love the Electro Lasko 1646 16-inch remote control pedestal fan with built-in timer, white features oscillating movement and adjustable height because it lets me cool down when I have the anxiety that my failed presidency will come back to haunt me.
We have a whole star on eBay.
A name you can trust.
And that doesn't even scratch the surface. But you know what does? Our rubber feet.
Long white streaks.
Get the Electro Lasko 1646 16-inch remote control pedestal fan with built-in timer, white features oscillating movement, and adjustable height for 20 easy payments of $59.95. Just call 555-555-5555. Once again, that is 777-777-7777. Or go to Electro Lasko 1646 16 remote control pedestal fan with built-in timer, white dash features oscillating moment and adjustable height.ikeo.hc.wordpress.co.uk.erroneous1.xtenhost.info. Call in the next 5 minutes and we'll actually ship it with free shipping. Just pay the handling and transportation. But wait, there's more! Order an Electro Lasko 1646 16-inch remote control pedestal fan with built-in timer, white features oscillating moment, and adjustable height in the next 5 minutes, and we'll bundle a second one, absolutely not free. That's only 10 easy payments of $107.99. A $60 value for just 10 easy payments of $107.99. Call now!